we have all come together to form Goa Highway Affected Liquor Vendors Association. May it be a bar, may it be a restaurant, maybe a wholesaler, maybe a small outlet. आणि तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा with the Supreme Court directives that any liquor outlet which is there, which serves liquor within 500 meters of the highway or the state highway or the national highway, has to be shut down from 1st of April, or the renewal of the licenses will not be carried out by the state government. पळयशीत जाल्यार that order is not very clear. I don't want to go against Supreme Court, but the learned judge, आज तुम्ही पेपर वाचला आसतले the opinion of our local AG, which says very clearly that any outlet which serves food with and the bar is excluded basically from the highways. It is only pertaining to an outlet. But some of the states, state like Maharashtra, they are now coming up in a big way to oppose or to support the traders, because they are going to lose about 6,000 crores of rupees. In Goa, I'm sure we are going to lose a heavy revenue. We don't want to sit quiet. Basically, it's a revenue generation as well as आमचे daily bread and butter. माझे colleague जे आसा, they are in that traditional business for years together, maybe second generation, third generation also. ते कितें आजूच कालूच ओपन करून ना बार्स किंवा थंयच्यानी तांच्यानी outlets. They have inherited from their family, brothers, ancestors, and they have got. Highways have subsequently come. Need not let highway outlets open there. In some cases, the highways have now come. We have got about 400 registered members, but affected are more than 3,000 people.
So, जे कोण affected असा एक रिक्वेस्ट असा की तांच्याकडे तुमचें नाव रजिस्टर करचें आनी तुमची लायसन्स कॉपी दिवची. जे तुमचें लायसन्स आसा ताची कॉपी आनी अलॉंग विथ युअर मोबायल नंबर आनी प्रॉब्ली ईमेल ID रजिस्टर करची. ताजेर दिवचे आनी आमकां हो फिगर्स जाय. सो फॉर दीस पर्पज तुमचें हें रजिस्ट्रेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. दुसरें आतां जशें